Sometimes the secret to a peaceful, cozy home isn't in what you buy, it's in what you let go of. Today, I'm sharing 7 simple ways to make your home happier, using decluttering as the heart of it all. So grab a cup of tea and let's create a space that truly smiles back at you. Okay, let's start with number 1. Bring greenery inside. Plants have a magical way of making any room feel alive, but first, give them the space to breathe. Clear away those piles of mail, knickknacks, or old candles that collect on tabletops and windowsills. Once the clutter's gone, bring in a touch of green. Even a small plant or two adds instant calm and color, a reminder of growth and fresh beginnings. The best part? Plants don't just decorate your home, they purify the air, lift your mood, and remind you that simple things can bring the most joy. I will link my video about houseplants that can purify the air in your home. I will have it at the end of the video. 2. Let in the light. Natural light is one of the easiest ways to brighten both your space and your spirit. Start by clearing away anything blocking your windows, heavy furniture, clutter, or dusty decor. If privacy is a concern, replace heavy curtains with soft, sheer fabric that lets light in during the day. And at night, use heavier curtains with a traverse rod. Yes, that style is back, and modern fabrics make it beautiful again. Fabric softens a room and adds warmth that metal or plastic blinds just can't give. The goal is to create flow, where light moves freely, and so do you. 3. Declutter. Less is more. Decluttering is the heart of a happy home. But here's the key: don't do it all at once. Work one section at a time, a drawer, a shelf, or even one corner. That way, you stay on the happy side of decluttering instead of getting overwhelmed. Each small win builds momentum, and your home slowly transforms into a place that feels calm and open. Remember, less clutter means less cleaning, less stress, and more time to enjoy what really matters. 4. Decorate with meaning. This is where your home becomes yours. Only display items that truly bring you joy. Family photos, art you love, or treasures from memories you hold dear. Store-bought decor, just to match or just to fill space, tends to lose its value and warmth quickly. But those meaningful pieces? They tell your story. A decluttered home gives your favorite things room to shine, so every time you walk by, you feel warmth instead of overwhelm. 5. Define zones. A happy home runs on flow, not perfection. When every area has a clear purpose, clutter has fewer places to hide. Create cozy zones that fit your life. A reading corner, a meal area, a quiet work spot. You'll find it easier to stay organized because everything naturally belongs somewhere. Even small homes feel bigger when your spaces are well defined. 6. Use natural materials. Natural textures bring instant comfort and warmth. When you declutter, swap out a few plastic bins for woven baskets, a wooden tray, or a simple linen throw. These materials don't just look nice, they connect your space to nature and remind you that calm can be simple. You don't need to buy new. Try to reuse, refinish, or repurpose what you already have. The more natural your space feels, the less you crave excess. Wood textures, baskets, soft rugs, cozy candlelight. 7. Light, happy colors. Color has power. It changes how we feel the moment we walk into a room. Light, airy colors make a decluttered room feel fresh and open. Try soft whites, pale greens, or warm beiges. Once the clutter is gone, your walls, textiles, and accents can breathe, and the light bounces beautifully. You'll feel calmer just being there. Bonus idea: a wreath that welcomes you home. A front door wreath does more than dress up your entry. It sets the tone for what's inside. It welcomes guests with love. But most of all, it reminds you, every time you come home, it's your home's way of saying, "I'm glad you're here." So here is a recap of what we talked about. To make your home happy, bring in life, light, and love, and let go of what doesn't serve you. And bring in only what brings you joy. Decluttering isn't just about cleaning up, it's about creating peace. You deserve a space that feels calm, simple, and truly yours. Which of these 7 tips do you want to start with this week? Be sure to like, share, most of all subscribe. See you in the next video.